Hello, I am going to talk about interviewing a teacher, and the teacher I interviewed was my dad. He is a high school biology teacher, and he is one of the best teachers I've ever seen. I've observed multiple classes in high school and in college, and he is just so good at what he does, and he genuinely, you can tell that he loves what he's doing when he's in front of those kids, and he is just an amazing teacher, and I love to interview him. So the best part about teaching, he said, was getting to work with the freshmen. And he thinks that working with freshmen is hilarious. And he just believes that they're super like mature, immature, and they're kind of new to the school. And it's just really funny to be able to work with them. The second question: what has been your greatest achievement in teaching? His greatest achievement has genuinely been able to work with the greatest school district. He's moved around in different schools, so he believes that the school district is the best, and he loves being able to work for Clovis Unified. Um, this Your greatest disappointment has been moving schools. He has had to move schools through Clovis Unified, and honestly, it's ended up being a blessing. But he said it was a hard change at first, but moving schools has ended up being a blessing. But it was a bit of a rough patch when he did have to move schools, so that's been one of his disappointments. His non-teaching duties, he has always told me that he stands at his door and greets the kids walking through the hallway and says hi to them, and always make sure people are having kind of a first positive reaction when they come through his door, and he always greets them. Even people that aren't in his class, he greets as well. And my dad has told me multiple times where people just feel connected to him, and he kind of just puts it out there that anybody can talk to him about personal things that are going on in their lives, and he always makes it available that if they need anything, that he will also be there for him. So I think that is a big non-teaching duty that he does. In what ways are schools successful? And he said schools are successful in the way they make their kids feel, and I agree with that 100%. Schools are successful in not only the academic portion of it, but also how they made their kids feel and how they have felt through their 4 years or whatever years that they've been there, and ending up graduating and going through high school. The students will feel a certain way about that school, and I think they're successful if the kids have a positive experience. Advice for someone teaching: my dad just said do it. He said it is the best job in the world, and he loves to work with kids. Thank you.